we're going to give away the BJD Doll pumpkin. Hi everyone, I'm Belinda.
I'm Pat.
And welcome to my channel. We're excited today because I have reached 200 subscribers and I'm excited about that. So in order to thank you people for subscribing, we decided to do a giveaway. And we're going to give away Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a doll we bought from AliExpress, and we stripped her face, or Pat stripped her face, and he repainted her, did a face up. I colored her hair and made her a new costume, and she needs a new home because the kingdom she lived in, she was banished by an evil witch, and so now she needs a home. Okay, so Pat's going to tell you guys how to enter a contest to win Pumpkin.
So the contest is going to run 13 days. It's going to start now, and it's going to run until September the 30th at midnight Central Time. And then on October the 1st, we are going to announce the winner. So in order to enter this, you have to subscribe. You can ring the bell, please ring the bell, and then comment down below one word, her name, Pumpkin. You can then make other comments, but one word Pumpkin will get you entered into the contest.
That's right, and we're going to do that by taking our subscribers' usernames and we're going to put them on a sheet of paper, a little piece of paper, and we'll put them in a pumpkin, shake it up, reach in and draw out and announce who the winner is, and that will be done on October 1st. But before that, we will notify you 3 hours in advance that the premiere is coming up, and that's when the video will come out, so watch the video so you can find out if you won. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to your YouTube channel, that's right, and we're going to post in the section that says discussion. We'll post that you are the winner and also the information that you will need to send us your name and address, because we're going to pay for the shipping no matter where you live in the world. Okay, what you do is you'll come up to your main YouTube page, and then you'll go up in the upper right hand corner and you'll click on what's your channel. And it'll go down to where it says your channel and click on that. And then right here where it says discussions, you'll click on that. And it will be typed in here like, you are the winner. We'll give you the instructions from here on where you go to give us your address so we can mail the doll to you. What do you tell them, Pat?
Make sure you like, subscribe. You have to be a subscriber to win. And be sure to comment down below and ring the bell so you know when we publish new videos.
That's right. So good luck, guys. We hope you win. Until then, until October 1st, bye. See you then.